This will help to correct any signs of aging. You want to have a supple skin. You want to get a clearer face. Like in case you have pigmentations, you have dark under eye circle, if you want to look younger, continue watching this video because it will help you. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty tips and natural tips on this channel, using some things in the kitchen to make you have the best skin, to make you have the glowing skin that you always wish to have. So consider subscribing if you love this channel. Also like and share this video. Let's go on. Okay, and do not forget to hit the bell button. There's a bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload videos, you'll be the first to get it and come and watch. All right, so here is coffee ground. You can use any type of coffee brand in the supermarket. Like I got this one in the supermarket, and coffee contains powerful antioxidants that will help to fight free radical damage that makes you always age faster, that makes you always look older than your age. Because when you have dark under eye circle, it will look as if you are aging faster, like it will look as if you are older than your age. But do not worry, this will help greatly. Also, if you have signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines developing around your face, or if you have blemishes like sunburn, this treatment will help. I didn't say that this is a perfect treatment for sunburn, but it can help to prevent sunburn and help to minimize it like a little. Coffee does a lot. It has to give you a clearer face. I also added sugar, white sugar or brown sugar. They're all good. But in case you have sensitive skin, I would say use brown sugar, because brown sugar is more gentle on the facial skin or body, like if you have sensitive skin. This is white sugar for everyone. Sugar contains alpha hydroxyl acid that helps to give you that hydrated skin, supple skin, younger skin. It helps to boost collagen production, thereby making your skin to look so fresh and younger. Also, sugar also helps to minimize acne, pimples, or prevent facial pimples from appearing on the skin. It exfoliates the skin so well to get rid of dead skin cells that makes your skin look dull, old looking, looking so unattractive. These two are very exfoliating, sugar and coffee. Try to get it, you will love it. Sugar also brightens the face, like it brightens any way you apply it. If you use it with consistency, you will surely get improvements. So I'm applying Vaseline on my lip because as I'm talking, my lip is feeling so dry. So this is what I normally do. So after getting these ingredients, okay, you have to measure them rightly. Measurement is very important to help you achieve best results. So for this quantity, like for example, you want to apply only on your face and your neck, you have to add 1 tablespoon of coffee ground, and you also have to add 1 full tablespoon of sugar, any sugar, remember. So after that, you have to mix with something, of course, to make it form a paste. Suggest you use rose water because you will benefit a lot from rose water. Rose water keeps your skin hydrated, well moisturized, like not dried out. It helps to keep you fresh and younger. Helps to minimize signs of aging with consistent use. Also helps to drive away pimples. It does a lot. It glows the skin. Like you can use it as a toner. Adding it here will help for mixing, like if you want to mix the ingredients, and also for the benefits of it. So just get these 3 ingredients: coffee, sugar, and rose water, and you're all good. So you have to mix little by little drops until you get the right consistency. You don't want it to be so watery and you don't want it to be so thick. After that, you have to wash off all makeups and this. Apply this treatment. I don't have makeup on my skin, so I'll just go on and apply it all over to show you how it's done for effective results. So mix thoroughly and apply on the face. I love the smell of coffee a lot. So yummy, so like as if I should just eat it. Yeah, I love the smell. Anytime I apply this, I'm sure of a more younger skin, and also to prevent breakouts. Some breakouts can be as a result of hormone, when your hormone is out of order. Okay, it can cause breakouts or even blemishes. Some age pores, wrinkles will start appearing. So you need to also take care of your inner self, like taking some good supplements. We have very good nourishing supplements. As you can see, I'm displaying them. We help to nourish your skin, your health from the inside, so that when you apply your skincare products, it will work well. So please do not forget under here, under your eye, to prevent or to minimize eye wrinkles, and also to reduce puffy eyes. Like it does 3-in-1, helping to get rid of dark under eye circle. Okay, so after applying this treatment, you can go on and apply on your neck, your body. Yes, if you are applying it all over your body, just increase the quantity of the measurements, like double or triple them, so that it can be much to apply all over your body. So after doing this, I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. So as it's drying, in 5 minutes, you'll be seeing that your face will be getting dry and so tight. That is to show you that it's working, it's penetrating. So make sure you wash your face before you apply this treatment, so that this will not sit on a dirty face. Alright, so leave it on for 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, wash it out. I'm going to leave it on. I'll be right back. So after washing it out, okay, you will notice that your skin will feel different, like soft, smooth. That is to show you that this is very effective. So with consistency, you will notice that those wrinkles will be minimizing. Your face will be getting more smooth and plump, like fuller, looking more younger, looking glowing. Yes. So after applying this treatment, okay, you have to follow with a light moisturizer. If you don't have a good skincare product, please contact us and I'll give you the best skincare product for any skin type and complexion. Very natural, safe. You will not get any side effects like of all kind. We ship worldwide. Like, contact with our WhatsApp or call us and I'll give you the best. We also have very good supplements. So you can apply Vaseline in case your skin is very dry. My skin is oily. I will just apply normal oil or my moisturizer on my face. So for my lip, I will just apply Vaseline. Okay, yeah, sometimes I'll still apply Vaseline on my face. There's no problem about that. It's all good, right? Okay, so use this treatment 3 times weekly or twice weekly for best results, and you see your skin will be looking more better and better. Without makeup, you'll be looking so beautiful. Your skin will be looking uniform and clearer. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.